Hello everyone, my name is Gerald, and in today's episode, I will be showing you how to upload a project, a Flutter project specifically, to your GitHub repository. So let's begin. So let's navigate let's access our GitHub account, and then on the top right section there is a plus icon. Drop down, and then let's select New Repository. After that, let's name this repository as Flutter login template. This Flutter project. This Flutter project will be used as Flutter applications. I will initialize this repository with a README file, and I will be making this repository public so anyone or anybody could download and commit if they would like to. So let's click create repository. Now that we have created our repository, let's go back to our code and uh, click this provider login box right here and press right click and then select open in terminal. Now let's execute a couple of commands in order to upload our GitHub project or our Flutter project rather. So the first step is to initialize a Git for first time users. Alright. Second is to add all of the files. So as soon as we click the git space init command, you will notice that the files have a green circular uh, icons and a couple of view green with letter U's of color green. So now let's execute another command. Git space add space dot or period. Okay. So it's taking a couple of minutes. Alright. Now let's do our initial commit. So to do that, type in the command git space commit space dash m for the message and then type in initial commit. Okay, and that message is enclosed, of course, inside a the double quotes. So let's press enter. Alright, so now that we're through with our initial commit, let's add the URL of the remote repository to which we will be uploading our project. Okay, so I will first copy this link and then I will type in the command. So git space remote space add space origin space remote, or rather the remote repository. So I will just paste in the link or the URL and then press enter. To verify our origin, let's just type in the command git space remote space -v. And now we've confirmed that our fetch and push links are the same, and it's directed towards our Flutter login template repository on GitHub. Now we will be pushing changes to our local repository GitHub. So to do that, let's type in git push -f space origin space master. Okay, now it's compressing the data, and then it will be uploaded. So again, the command to push is git space push space -f space origin space master. Okay, actually I have here a source control. Let me just check. Okay, so there are 0 changes. So while this is still loading, the reason why I am uploading this login project is basically to help other um, users to maybe dissect and learn Flutter more easily. And also, I will be using this personally in my future Flutter projects as well. Okay, I think the writing of objects is almost complete. And we should be seeing some changes to our directory here. Okay, so if I press F5 or Control F5 for hot refresh, it's not yet showing anything yet. But let's see. Okay, I think it's done. So let me just press Control F5 again, and there we have it. So all of our data are now uploaded in GitHub. Okay, and if you want to download this project, since this is a public one, you could click this clone or download and click the download zip here. Okay, and for new projects, uh, you could, so let's say you want to rebuild this project, or if you want to reuse a couple of files, then you could check out the lib folder, the assets folder, and the pubspec.yaml file. Okay, because those three are very important in the project that we built in previous videos. Alright, so that's it for me. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. And if you want to see more videos about Flutter development, you can subscribe to my channel as well. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.